Hello, traders, and welcome back to another week trading with the VIP team. I'm Orlando, and this is Learn to Trade's YouTube channel. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel. We do upload a ton of free content every single day, and I'm pretty sure you are going to get value out of that. Now, I want to talk about the Japanese yen. This Sunday was a very, very slow open, and right now the markets are super slow. But I think that we might have an opportunity to go long on the Japanese yen again. Last week, with the VIP team, we went long on the Japanese yen at the breakout of this flag, as you can see on the bottom right of my screen. What we did is that we sold the pound against the Japanese yen, and we made about 110 pips or so. Again, if you want to be part of the VIP team, you're more than welcome. What you need to do is just click the link below this video, and if you use the code 21 off, you're going to get 21 off of your subscription. But now let's talk about that Japanese yen. And the reason I want to talk about the Japanese yen is because after our last Japanese yen trade, which was a short at the break of these lows, I'm going to show you the daily, right? At the break of these lows, we're talking about September and August lows. We went on a massive flush on the Japanese yen. Now, what we did on this trade is that we bought the pound versus the yen, on which we made about 800 pips. But I was looking at possibilities of reshorting because if you look at the overall historic chart, this market is super bearish, right? The retest of May 2021 lows did not pan out, but when price retested July's lows, I saw an opportunity to short this market, but you know the downside was very short-lived. Now I'm looking at longs on the Japanese yen because we have broken with a massive key level. Now let me show you. This is the 4-hour chart on the Japanese yen basket. This is FXEM's Japanese yen basket, which is basically the same as the DXY for the USD. Right? If we go to the 8-hour chart, this is what I was looking at for shorts at the beginning of the month, right? And as I told you, the bearish momentum of this rejection did not pan out. That's why last week we looked for longs at the break of these two flags. So if we go back to the 8-hour chart, what I'm looking at for this week are longs on the Japanese yen, right? Now, even though this market continues to be very bearish, fundamentally, right? We have to trade what we see. And right now, the Japanese yen closed extremely bullish last week, right? Breaking with this key level, which was the make it or break it for bulls, in my opinion, right? At least to short to mid-term. So basically, anything above the 91.35 level to 91.20 level, or these previous broken highs, is bullish for me. Now, if we go to the hourly chart, this is where we are going to find, or where I'm going to try to find the next buy on the Japanese yen, right? For the moment, price is trading above the weekly pivot, right? Above these previous broken highs, and trading within a short-term bullish structure, right? And as you can see by historic price action on the past week or so of trading, the bullish impulses are massive, whilst the bearish moves are very choppy and pullbacky, if you want, right? So we're looking at pullbacks on the Japanese yen on the short side. At the moment, I see no setup to buy the Japanese yen. I really would like a real retest of 91.35 level or these previous highs, November 10 highs. Um, but if let's go even lower, let's go to the 50-minute chart. But if the Japanese yen breaks with today's highs, right, I would be looking for longs, even though if we go to the 2-hour chart, right, even though price is trading within a very structured move, right? Um, this really doesn't concern me so much in the sense that structure-wise, um, anything above that 91.35 level is extremely bullish. So if we break with today's highs, right, I will be looking at Friday highs for first targets, and should the bullish impulses on this market continue, I would really be looking for a rally towards this previous massive base, which would give me from the break of today's highs about a 1.10% move to the upside, which would represent on the pound versus the yen a breakout of the 152.40 level, which is uh, why I held on to 25% of my trade. So if you want to be part of the VIP team and get my trade on the Japanese yen, just click the link below and you know what to do, and I'll see you on the inside.